Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to take a look at how even you can get the iPhone 13 live wallpapers for your iPhone for free. So without further ado, let's roll the video. First of all, in order to download the wallpaper, you need to make use of the Google Drive link that's present in the description down below. Once you click the given link, it's on you which wallpaper you want to download. And to be honest, these aren't wallpapers, but actually they are videos that needs to be converted into live photo. Next up, to convert the video into a live photo so that you can add it as your iPhone's wallpaper, you need to make use of an app called Into Live. That's a free app available on the App Store with the link being in the description. Once you have installed the app, you can start converting the video to live photo by just tapping on the video that you downloaded. Doing that will take you to the editing screen. Here you don't have to do anything, just go ahead and tap the button that says make. Next up, choose the option that says no repeat, only if you want to create live wallpaper for free. Lastly, just click on save live photo so that it gets saved into the Photos app. And that's it. You have converted the selected video to live photo. Now all you have to do is just set it as the wallpaper. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.